I will never put myself in a situation that I have to drag anybody with any guy with any girl because I'm precious. And secondly, I will never have to fight about a relationship, like friendship, I mean.
Telling you that people are walking into that room and saying I'm in a relationship.
Yeah, you'll be talking, but you cannot go and hold
Because it's looking like what it is, but it's not.
Why are you coming to me? Jackie B was another person I started talking recently with. We are trying to be friends, not me trying, like, we are trying to be friends. And me, I'm seeing you trying to be emotionally attached, and I'm like, what's going on?
I would make sure the housemates don't run me straight by standing my ground.
Angel, get out! You are not okay, sweetheart.
Calling me a bitch, telling me it's not my father's house. If you're hungry, cook for yourself. I'm not your child.
Please, if you don't respect me, I won't give you any fucking respect. And please, it's been 3 people in this house called me a bitch. Stop it. Make una stop, oh. I don't like it.
I'm looking forward to filming cliques because I like to talk and I like to have conversations with other people. Housemates will never catch me off guard because I'm always in check and I'm always in charge of my environment.
You wear your finger like, you told me my finger was up. I said, okay. He just came out of the toilet, started warning me. What were you doing? Your hand shaking, blah, blah, blah. Who did all those for? Over joke. I just spoke to you directly, girl. I'm not scared of you, Tega.
The strategy I'm going to be using on the housemates is content. People love good content, good entertainment. Give them the drama.
Stay, don't go. Come back and see here, relaxed.
Baby, I was waiting for you. You're taking too much time.
That no balance.
One thing about me is I can be dramatic without even realizing it. I love drama, you know, what's the fun without the drama? I can be a preacher of love to some extent, but drama comes first.
I don't want, Emmanuel and the I don't come here. I didn't come to this house for that.
Sorry.
You understand? You can't tell me you like me, looking into my eyes, and you actually ganged up against me.
I'm looking forward to forming cliques because that's why I'm here, to socialize and to bond. I'll make sure the housemate never run me straight by keeping it simple, keeping it real, and giving an open spirit.
I want to avoid you so that you can get over me. That's what you want.
Yeah.
I'm already so addicted to you.
The best strategy to do is be myself. So I'm just gonna be myself, roll out the cross, playbook and just have a good time.
I can see one walker. Wait till you go to your best friend. We got this unlocked.
The strategy that I have to make sure the housemates don't run me street, primarily really is just to be really smart. And 2, ensuring that you carry people along with you.
I don't want to have to tap into my dark military side.
I don't care the impression you had of me prior to me occupying the position of head of house. The position comes with respect.
Forming cliques kind of feels like a forming gang, but being alone, you can actually be everybody's friend.
I came to the house, actually, I came to this house. I came to this house to find love. That was the first thing.
I plan to spice up the house by being the life of the party because, me, Saga, I laugh, I dance a lot. I'm more of a lover anyways. I love love. Love is nice, but love doesn't work all the time, Love is difficult. So then drama.
Perry saved me and put Sasuke up for eviction. Somehow I kind of wanted him to pick Nini.
Yesterday we went for diary. He said that he has a task for me. I want to fight with you and don't talk to you.
He can't be around me and not be happy, so Spice is my second name. Yes, I'm the Spice. They are the ingredients. So I'm gonna make it happen.